Hello, Amundson's class. 1.6 estimating products. Can you round and estimate products?
Yes.
All right, here we go. I need everyone to answer questions. Estimate. Estimate helps us to get a very, very close answer using what kind of guess?
Educated guess.
Benchmarks. A well-known number that is what?
Easy to calculate with.
A benchmark is a well-known number that is easy to calculate with. Compatible numbers. Probably the most important part of the whole lesson. Compatible numbers are numbers that do what?
Work well together.
If you can find compatible numbers, it helps you get answers easier and faster. All right, wake up this week we were working on rounding. Wake up last week we were working on rounding. When rounding, finish my thoughts. 5 and above.
Give it above.
4 and below.
Leave it alone.
And these numbers are talking about what? What number are we talking about? The what? The.
Boss.
Say again.
Boss.
So if the boss is 5 and above, give it a shove. If the boss is 4 and below, you leave it alone. Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay, so then if I'm rounding to the nearest millionth, I underline my millions place, right?
Yes.
And my arrow goes to my,
Boss.
say again?
Boss.
All right, and the boss tells the underlying number what to do, yeah?
Yes.
After you establish what you're going to do with the underlying number, what happens to all the numbers after the underlying number? What do they change to?
Zero.
They change to what?
Zero.
Change to zeros. Cool. All right. We need to know how to estimate because it helps us to see if our answers make,
Sense.
and it also makes the math.
Easier and faster.
So 24 times 39. Are 24 and 39 compatible numbers? Do they go well together?
No.
So if I change 24 to 25, and I change 39 to 40, do 25 and 40 go well together?
Yes.
Is it easy to multiply 25 times 4?
Yes.
Think of quarters, right? 25, 50, 75, 100, right? So I write down my 100, and I still have to add this last zero, yes?
Yes.
And then to find the actual, we just do our math.
Yes.
Okay. Find our actual answer. What's this called here that I made? If I have the estimate and the actual split up, what's that called?
The T-chart.
All right. Why did this one, 3 and 8 tenths and 6 and 200ths? Not why, but doesn't 3 and 8 tenths seem a lot easier if it's a 4?
Yes.
Is 4 close to 3 and 8 tenths?
Yes.
Isn't 6 and 200ths a lot easier if we just make it a 6?
Yes.
So 4 times 6 is what?
24.
If I do the actual problem, I get 22 and 876 thousandths, yes?
Yes.
Is 22 and 876 thousandths pretty close to 24?
Yes.
Arthur said that you can use your estimate to check your answer. Does our estimate look like our actual answer should be pretty close to right, if not right?
Yes.
We feeling okay about that?
Yes.
Another example down here of an estimate and an actual. We good?